I've got a tip I saw on the internet on how to take the skin off of a fresh fish. So take a look. I saw something online how to take the skin off a fish. This is a trout, and this is how you take the skin off, and I'll show you how I do it. So what you do is you get some boiling hot water. I put this in the microwave for about 3 minutes, and it's boiling hot. And you take the fish. So you take the hot water and you pour it over the skin slowly. Put it over the whole, up and down the fish. Like that. And this is a 4 cups of hot boiling water. So once you pour that over the fish, you take the skin and watch, it peels right off. The other side was a lot easier, but look at that, it comes right off. There's a couple spots here, let's peel it off. So now I can cook the fish with no skin and get all the butter and lemon juice and all that cooked into the skin when I cook it. Isn't that cool? All right, one tip from Terry Valentine.